In 1972, at Stockholm Conference, Srimati Indira Gandhi said that environment, we have not inherited it from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our children. Environment, the world over, is being destroyed by human beings today. We, the children, are witness to this destruction all around. It's our nimble fingers' responsibility to undo what the stronger hands has unleashed. When ably guided, we can change the world. In the process of our commitment to make this world a better place, we decided to join world's largest Design for Change School Challenge. We organized ourselves into a team. We wanted to make the whole school be a part of this challenge. We expressed our desire with our natural science teacher. She happily agreed to be our mentor. We have come up with multiple problems of our city in our discussions. Since September and October are the festive months, we unanimously decided to focus on the water pollution caused due to immersion of chemical colored Vinayaka idols. Basically, Vinayaka Chauthi is an eco-friendly festival. But as years passed, it became an eco-dangerous festival. In the history of Andhra Pradesh, Guntur has a place of pride educationally, culturally, etc. River Krishna drains Guntur district, making it agriculturally rich. It also serves the industrial and household purposes. The people of Guntur city and the surrounding areas immerse their chemical colored Ganesh idols in this river at Amaravati, which is 30 kilometers away from the city, polluting its waters. The same water is used for various purposes all along this river course. Due to this, river canals clog, storage capacity decreases, people become victims of waterborne diseases, the animals perish, soil gets polluted leading to low yield, aquaculture gets damaged. So, we wanted to promote our student families, their neighborhood, friends, relatives to use these mud idols, vegetable and organic colored clay idols of Ganesh made by our students on this Ganesh Chaturthi. At the outset, we, along with our teacher, met our principal, Reverend Sister Rosalyn, and explained our ideas. She was overwhelmed with our project and promised all the cooperation needed. She even called for the staff cabinet meeting. Thus, committees were formed with about 250 8th class students and 2 teachers for each committee to guide them. We plunged into action. Every team did its work with determination and dedication.
Our friends eagerly prepared placards. Teachers helped us in preparing pamphlets. We approached Traffic Police Department for the permission to go on an eco-friendly rally. We have informed the press and local TV channel about our project in order to bring more awareness among the people about eco-friendly Ganeshotsav.
Our committee has requested Mr. Nagamalleswara Rao, the idol maker, to teach us how to make Ganesh idols with hands and molds. He readily accepted our wish and taught us idol making patiently. Our child artists made attractive Ganesh idols with their delicate hands. In a short span of 3 days, we could make 500 idols. On the last day, we sold a few idols at a very minimum price and distributed remaining idols free of cost to the children who could not afford.
వాయు కాలుష్యం, భూమి కాలుష్యం, శబ్ద కాలుష్యం. వీటిలో నీటి కాలుష్యం ముఖ్యమైనది. నీటిని ప్రకృతికి నిదర్శనంగా వాడుతున్నాం. మనం నీటిని అనేక విధాలుగా నీటి కాలుష్యం చేస్తున్నాం. దీనివల్ల మానవులకు, జంతువులకు, వృక్షాలకు ఆటంకాలు కలుగుతున్నాయి. నీటిలోనే మన భవిష్యత్తు ఉంది. నీరు లేకపోతే పంటలు పండవు, చెట్లు బ్రతకవు. పంటలు పండకపోతే మనకు ఆహారం లభించదు. చెట్లు లేకపోతే మనం పీల్చే ఆక్సిజన్ కూడా దొరకదు. నదులలో పశువులను కలుపుట వలన నీటి కాలుష్యం ఏర్పడుతుంది. పరిశ్రమల నుండి వెలువడే వ్యర్థ పదార్థాలు వచ్చి నీటిలో కలగడం వల్ల నీటి కాలుష్యం ఏర్పడుతుంది. ప్రస్తుతం వినాయక చవితి రోజు చేసే నీటి కాలుష్యం గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. మట్టి వినాయకుడిని పూజిద్దాం, నీటి కాలుష్యాన్ని నివారించుదాం. ఈ వినాయక చవితికి విగ్రహాలు, మట్టి విగ్రహాలు, రంగు వేసిన విగ్రహాలు ఉంటాయి. ఈ వినాయక చవితి రోజున పందిళ్లలో, ఇళ్లలో వినాయక విగ్రహాలకు పూజ చేస్తాం. మనం చాలా వరకు రంగు వేసిన విగ్రహాలకు ఆకర్షితులు అవుతాము. వినాయకులకు నిమజ్జనం చేస్తాం. ఈ రంగు వేసిన విగ్రహాల్లో విషపూరితమైన పదార్థాలు కలిసి ఉంటాయి. ఈ విషపూరితమైన పదార్థాలు నీటిలో కలిసి ఉంటాయి. నీటిలో కలవడం వల్ల నీరు కాలుష్యం అవుతుంది. ఈ కాలుష్యమైన నీటిని ఉపయోగించడం వల్ల మనం చాలా మంది అనారోగ్య పాలవుతున్నాము. ఈ నీటి కాలుష్యం మానవ జీవితంపై తీవ్ర ప్రభావం చూపుతుంది.
As the preparation work progressed, some of our friends formed into a few teams and went to each class and explained to them about the water pollution caused by the immersion of chemical colored plaster of Paris Ganesh idols, its impacts on the plants, animals and human beings, and requested them to use mud idols which are even less costly. Their message touched everyone's heart. The children promised our friends that they would explain to their parents, neighbors, relatives, friends and make them buy only mud Ganesh idols. Eco-friendly Vinayaka Chaviti. On 29th August 2011, we celebrated Eco-friendly Vinayaka Chaviti. we invited our Guntur District Education Officer, Mrs. Parvati, as our chief guest. She performed Ganapati Puja in the assembly. While the puja was performed, our friends shared their views on the importance of Vinayaka Chaviti, the reason for the celebration of this festival in the rainy season, the medicinal value of 21 plants used in the puja, the taking out of the clay from the beds of ponds, lakes, etc. to make idols in order to increase their storage capacity, and the disadvantages of immersion of idols made of plaster of Paris and chemical colors. A dance depicting the causes and dangers of water pollution was beautifully performed by our friend. Mrs. Parvati, our chief guest, appreciated our school's initiatives and commitment to make this world a better place. Our principal, Reverend Sister Rosalind.
So my dear students, once again, we thank God for this good weather, and we have taken today the rally. We determine ourselves that we are going to do something for the good cause, and this cause has to be realized. As we all are the little buds on this earth, it is our responsibility to protect the earth.
Eco-friendly rally. After the celebration, DEO Mrs. Parvati, Reverend Sister Rosalind, Reverend Sister Shaurilu, Reverend Sister Rani flagged off the rally. Our staff, our team, and about 250 8th class students took part in the rally with great enthusiasm. We started from our school and covered areas of busy roads near railway station, Guntur Government Hospital, NAS Center, market, and finally fruitfully reached our school. On the way, we distributed pamphlets and urged people to use mud Ganesh idols only. We came across many good souls who understood our efforts. They patted us, encouraged us, appreciated us. Their response boosted our spirits. On the way, we visited 2 high schools and requested them to celebrate eco-friendly Ganesh Chaturthi. We all experienced a sense of achievement, fulfillment, and satisfaction that we too could contribute our mite, though it might be a drop in the ocean. On the following day, we sold mud Ganesh idols made by our own hands. We could make only 500 idols, but we could convince many more to use mud idols. We have also reached the masses of Guntur city through Guntur City Cable TV, which had shown our program and rally on its network.
చిట్టి చేతుల్లో మట్టి వినాయకులు, కాలుష్య రహితంగా రూపొందించిన బుజ్జి గణపయ్యలు, చిన్నారులకు డిఈఓ ప్రశంసలు.
After the celebration of Vinayaka Chaviti, our evaluation committee went to each class to inquire about the outcome of the students' campaign in their surroundings. We believe that we have sown a seed. How a seed transforms into a big tree and gives good fruits year after year, in the same way, the seed we have sown in the hearts of our friends had surely begun its process of changing this world around us into a better place for us and for our future generations.
పాప 9వ తరగతి చదువుతుంది సెయింట్ జోసెఫ్ పాఠశాలలో. క్రమశిక్షణకు మారిపోయారు ఈ పాఠశాల. మిషనరీ సంస్థ అయినప్పటికీ కూడాను సర్వమత సమ్మేళనం పాటిస్తూ అన్ని పండుగలను ఇక్కడ జరిపిస్తూ ప్రతి పండుగల యొక్క ప్రాశస్త్యాన్ని విద్యార్థులకు తెలియజేస్తూ పిల్లలను కూడా ఆ పండుగలో భాగస్వామ్యం చేయడం అనేది ఈ పాఠశాల యొక్క ప్రత్యేకత అండి.
They conducted a rally to educate people to use clay idol at the time of Vinayaka Chauthi Puja to avoid environmental pollution. They sold so many clay idols to the parents.
It is an exciting feeling to me to motivate others through our campaign. I felt very happy while campaigning because due to my contribution towards eco-friendly rally, so many people might change their attitude and start using mud idols.
I was very much inspired by the whole program. I could successfully convince my neighbors, friends in buying the mud Ganesh idols. I am feeling very proud that I could change the people around me.
The whole DFC School Challenge project gave us a rich experience of togetherness. It taught us that through the teamwork, we can change the world. Yes, we are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who can brighten the world.